Hi, I am Saranya, second BComB, Department of Commerce from KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to discuss about taxation and its objectives. Let's start. What is tax? A tax is a compulsory contribution from the person. If you lived in the country, you must pay the tax compulsory. Tax is participate in every person life day to day. Tax is classified different types, that is income tax, sale tax, entertainment tax, etc. The system by which a government takes money from people so that it can pay for public sector, which means the government levied by the tax from the person, that the system called as taxation. The money or expenses too many schemes and defenses for the public. It aims in the onwards of our country. Now we are going to see about the objectives of company. We can see one by one. The first one is objectives of rising revenue. It is the basic and primary objective. It is gaining huge amount by modern government for nationally defense, creation of infrastructure and social development scheme. And second one is regulatory objective. It is also called as control objective. These having different socio-economic asset. Let's see one by one. Regulating consumption. The government discourage the harmful and undesirable goods by levying prohibited rate of tax. For example, high rate of tax on tobacco products, liquors, etc. are intended to minimize their usage by their public. Regulating production. Production may be encouraged by exemptions to new industries from the reduction tax on capital goods, increasing tax on imported goods, because the government created new industries for reducing unemployment and rising demand the local production. Next one is regulating effect of inflation and depression, etc. The high level of taxation can reduce the purchasing power of people, and funds collected can be used by the state for productive purposes to increase supply of goods. Thus the stable demand and supply are equality. Taxation as a means of regulating the level of national income. Nowadays, taxation was developed as measure to be regulate the flow of income. It aims and scope of taxation. The each individual person income to percentage of tax transferred to the government. This will change the form of personal advice and investment, and it will be a promote the level of national income. The next one is functional finance objective. That is, according to this view, public finance must be the functional finance, in which revenue motivates and other motives must be subordinate to that maintaining an adequate level of income. The taxation should be used as a means of cutting down total spending when it becomes necessary, so as to prevent excessive total demand and inflation. The next is incentive objectives. Now, many companies and business enterprises give more reward and incentives to their employees so that people can earn more income and they purchase so many products and they pay tax and more tax. Then, government had more revenues. The next one is reducing inequality. It is now generally accepted that taxation ought to be used as a means of regulating the socio-economic life of the community. It is an effective tool to reduce the glaring inequalities of income and wealth existing in the modern society. The democratic government aims at securing social justice. It is the progressive tax system is designed to achieve their objective, in which the means of tax rate based on the level of income, that is, the income increased as the tax rate is also increased. The next one, growth, equity and stabilization. In the case of developing countries, the objectives of taxation is to promote economic growth with stable. The tax policy should be judicially be framed to promote savings, investment and capital formation activities. Growth may sometimes generate inflationary pressure in the economy. The discussed objectives may change from time to time and depending on the privilegation of economic condition in an economy. The changing political scenario of a democratic country also exerts influence in the tax policy pursued by the government. Finally, if everyone pay the tax, while the country could be developed, the standard of living is also increased. The government aims should be all are equal in this country. Conclusion. Hence, it is very difficult to frame a comprehensive tax policy which will help to realize the manifold objectives discussed above. Thank you.